Hello friends, I welcome you all to Crazy Calculation series of Board and Beyond. So friends, today is Saturday and as you all know that on Saturdays and Sundays we understand some cool tricks as to how to reduce time during the examination and how do you score well, right? So friends, today we have decided that today we will learn how to find the cube of a two-digit number. Right? Some of you may be well aware of the facts which I am going to tell it to you now, or and some of you may be seeing it for the first time. Okay, so like for everybody's benefit, let's start doing it. Before that, I just wanted to tell you, friends, that I am doing justice to my part of the job which I have to do, which is bringing you the right content in a right way so that your learning is enhanced, right? So friends, you also please, if you like the videos, only if you like it, then please subscribe to it and pass it on to your friends. Let them also have the right to learn, right? Basically, it's all free of cost. That is what you are doing, and that is the only motivation that I have here for you to get up so early and then basically take up the sessions, right friends? So let's get going. So for an example, what I have done here is that I have taken few numbers on the board. I will be finding out the cube of those numbers and explaining you the concept or the process in detail. How is that you can do it? Okay, and where you find its applicability is that let's say you are given the diameter of a sphere. You know sphere, right? So if you are given a diameter of the sphere and then you are asked to find out the volume, right? Then how do you do that? Because that is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So you have to do cube of the radius, right? So that is one thing. Now let's say a sphere is melted down and then drawn into a wire of cylindrical shape, okay, for a certain length. So what would be the dia of the wire, or how much the thickness of the wire would be, right? So all these problems you will find it useful. Let's do it, friends. So the first thing which I have taken here is 12 cube, right? So what we will do is that, I hope this gets covered. So friends, we will understand this as 1 and 2 digits, okay? And then we will cube the first number, that is 1, and we will fix it here. Okay, this one is nothing but 1 cube. Okay, let me write here, or else you may let me explain it in detail. So friends, 1 cube is equal to 1. So we will write the first digit here. We will fix it 1. Now the next thing is that we will divide 1 by 1. That is your first number by the first number. Answer is 1, right? Then this one we will multiply with the second digit, that is 2. I will write 2 here, right? Now this digit I will divide it by 1. 2 by 1, that is equal to 1. And then I will multiply this thing 2 into 2, right? Sorry, so we will divide 2 by 1, that is equal to 2, right? And then we will multiply 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Now I will divide 4 by 1, answer is 4. I will multiply answer with the second digit, that is equal to 8. Right friends? So I got 1248. Now what I will do is that this middlemost term, these two middle terms, right? What I am going to do is that I am going to double it up to, I am going to double it up to 4. 4 I am going to double it up to 8. Right? Now I will write it like this: 8, 0. As you would have seen, we had done earlier. 8 plus 4 is 12. So I will write 2 here and 1 here. Something like this. 4 plus 2 is 6 here. So I will write 6 and 0 here. And then I write 1 here. And then as you remember, we will go crosswise like this. Correct? Now I will write the answer, that is 8. 2 plus 0 is 2. 6 plus 1 is 7 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1728 is the right answer. Okay. Let us take one more example and I will explain you in detail, and then we will move on to other digits, right? So now 15 cube, friends, right? So 15 cube, I will cube the first number and then fix it up here. 1 cube is equal to 1, right? Now I will divide this one by 1, okay? That is the digit which I have fixed here. I will divide this by 1, the first digit, answer is 1. Then I will multiply the whatever I got after dividing, I will multiply with 5, the answer would be 5, right? Now I will divide 5 by 1, answer is 5, right? I will multiply the answer with 5, that is equal to 25, right? Now I will divide 25 by 1, answer is 25, and then multiply 25, the answer, into 5, that is equal to 125, right friends? So I have got 4 digits. Now I will double it up. So doubling this is 10 and doubling this is 50. Right? Now what I am going to do is that I am going to write 5, the unit digit like this, and then rest in the base. Right? This is 75. Right? So I will write 5 here and 7 in the base. This is 15. So 5 here, 1 in the base. Then 1. Now let's draw this line, crisscross line. Okay. Now I will write the answer here. 5. See, 5 plus 12 is 17. I will write 7. Carry forward is 1 for me. So 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. I will write 3 here. Carry forward again is 1 to me. So 1 plus 1 is 2 plus the carry forward 1, that is equal to 3. So 3375 is the answer. Right friends? Okay. See, till here it was a little easier. Okay. Let's take up a little difficult one. Let us say 23 cube. How do we do it? So I will cube the first number, that is 2 cube. 2 cube is equal to how much, friends? 2 cube is equal to 8. So I will fix up the first digit at 8. Right? Now I will divide 8 with 2. 8 with 2. Answer is 4. 4 into 3. Answer is 12. I will divide 12 with 2. Answer is 6. 6 into 3 is 18. Divide 18 with 2. Answer is 9. 9 into 3 is 27. You got it? Now I double it up. This becomes 24 and this becomes 36. Right? Now I will write it in this form which I have told you earlier. 8 plus 6, 14. Carry forward is 1. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 1, 5. Like this. 4 to 6. 2 plus 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Now it is 8. We will write like this. Now we will write the answer. 7. 4 plus 2 is 6. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry forward is 1. 8 plus 3 is 11. Carry forward 1 is 12. You got it, friends? Right. So as I am explaining you, it is taking a little time, but when you actually do it in practice, you yourself, okay, it is not going to take that much of time. Let's say 37, friends. This will give you a little challenge. 3 cube. First digit has to be 3 cube. So I will fix it to 27. Correct? First digit, 3 cube. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 into 7 is 63. 63 divided by 3. Answer is 21. 21 into 7 is 147. Correct? Now 147 divided by 3. Answer is 49. Right? 49 into 7. So 7 cube, we know 343. Right? I will double it up. That is equal to 126. And this is 294. Right? Correct? Now I will write here. Just look at my friends. 3 and 34 in the base. 11, 1, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 421, right? So 42 like this, 42 in the base, 1 down the top. This is 9, 12 plus 6 is 18, 18 in the base. This is 7, 2 in the base. Right? You got it? Whenever there is 2 digits or more than 2 digits you are getting it, the unit digit will be on the top and remaining things will come in the base. Right? Now we will write the answer for this. So last digit is 3. 34 plus 1, we will crisscross. We will add crisscross like this. So 34 plus 1 is 35. Carry forward is 3 for me. 42 plus 9 is 51. And carry forward 3 becomes 54. Carry forward is 5 with me. 18 plus 7 is 25. Carry forward 5 becomes 30. Right? Carry forward again is 3 to me. 3 plus 2 is 5. This is the answer. Right? Okay. So one more example and then this example we will go little fast. Okay. So 4, it is 64. Right? Now 64 divided by this 4, that is 16. 16 into 8 is 128. 128 divided by 4, that is equal to 32. 32 into 8. 32 into 8 is 256. Right? Okay? And 256 divided by this, you can basically go like this also, friends. This is 4 and 8, right? The ratio is 1:2, right? So 64, 128, 256, 5 and 2. Let me repeat. The ratio here is well defined. It is 4:8, which is equal to 1:2. Correct? Right. So the first digit we have fixed it to 64. That means next digit will be double of 64. The next will be double of that digit. Next will be double of that digit. Right? So till 5 and 2 we can write like this. Okay? Similarly, you can use this and this. But you will not be able to do this type in this. Actually, this is also based on ratio only. But just to make the things little easier for you, I have done like this. Okay? I think this will hit your mind very fast as compared to ratio and proportions, because you don't have to study ratio and proportions here. Right? Now, I am going to double it up. So this becomes 256 and this becomes 5 and 2. You are getting my point? Now I will write 2 here and 51 in the base. Right, friends? 8 here, remaining things in the base. How much? 3. Sorry. 6. Right? Four here, 6 in the base. Then we add it like this. Right? So 2 is the last digit. 51 plus 8 is 59. Carry forward is 5. This is 80. So 85. Carry forward is 8 now. Okay? 8. 38 plus 8 is how much, friends? 46. 46 plus 4 is 50. Carry forward is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. Right? Like that. Okay, friends. So let's take 87. Okay, which was actually left behind. Okay, 87 cube. Right? So what we are going to do is that the first digit cube, that is equal to 512. Okay. Now 512 divided by 8 is nothing but 64. 64 into 7. 64 into 7. Let's do it here. 448. 448 divided by 8, that is equal to 56. 56 into 7. 392, right? 392 divided by 8. 49. 49 into 7 is 343. Right? Now we will double it up, friends. So this becomes how much? 896. We'll double this up. This becomes 4. 784. We added 3 we write here and 34 in the base. Right? Correct? Two here and 51 here. Then we do addition like this. Right? This becomes 3. This is 40. So comes 0. 4 is carry forward. This is 121. 121 plus carry forward is how much? 4. So 125. Remaining is 12. 12 plus this is 146 plus 2, 148. 8 here. 14 carry forward. 14 plus 51 is how much? Correct? So this is the answer. Right, friends? Right. Now let me just illustrate you where you will find it useful. Okay, that will actually make sense. Let's say volume. Volume of sphere dia is given to be 35. Let us say dia is given to be 35. I need to find out the volume of the sphere, right? So which is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube, that is equal to 35 by 2 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Right? Now in normal scenarios you have little difficulty, okay, but if you know how to take 35 cube or how to find out 35 cube, you can actually solve it easy, right? Let's do this. 35 cube, right, friends? We'll cube the first number. Sorry, 27. Keep it here. 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 into 5 is 45. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 into 5 is 75. 75 divided by 3 is 25. 25 into 5 is 125. Right? This is doubling it up, 90. This is 150. 5 here, 12 in the base. 5 here, 22 in the base. 5 here, 13 in the base. 7 here, 2 in the base. Now we'll write the answer. 5. This is 17. So 7 there, 1 in my hand. 22 plus 5, 27. Plus 1, 28. Right? Then 2 in my hand. And 17 plus 3 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. Again 2 in my hand. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 42875. Now this can be cancelled with this, and this can make this as 11, right? So finally I reduced it to 11 into 42875. Divide by 7. Okay. Now friends, we have one more challenge here. Okay. So I hope everybody knows how to multiply with 11, right? So just to illustrate, let's say 23 into 11. How do? We write the first digit as it is, add this plus this plus this, and write it here. Last digit as it is. 253 is the answer, right? Similarly, likewise, last digit we will fix it up to 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 2, 1 is carry forward. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 1 carry forward is 6. 16. Okay, that is equal to 6. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry forward is 1. Right? And then 4 plus 2 is 6. Carry forward 5. 4 in the last. Divide by 7. Now friends, in the next class, that is tomorrow, I will tell you how to find out whether this is divisible by 7 or not. Okay, that will make your life little easier than it is now. Correct? As of now, what you have to do is that you have to divide this by 7. Right? And then write the answer. Correct? Okay. So we'll leave it up to here, whatever it is, centimeter cube. 35 centimeters. So friends, that is all for today. So what we have learned today is that how to find the cube of a 2-digit number, okay, which will actually help us in this kind of scenarios, right? So with this, I close the session here. That's it. Till the time we meet next, that is tomorrow. Be happy, be safe, keep learning with us, keep enjoying with us, stay tuned with us. God bless you all. Bye.